Hello, how does it here? In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues with your Dropbox app on iOS. So first what you want to do is go up to the App Store and find out that did you have the newest version of your Dropbox. Right here. Right here. I already have the newest version, but you need to check. There is the open bar, but if you have the update available, there should be here the update bar. If you updated the app and you still have some issues, I show you more ways to fix it. So first way is just go up to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, find your app right here, and change every settings to the fabric, like mine. Like Siri app, here, settings, search, background app refresh, language doesn't matter, and if you change everything to the fabric and you still have some issues, the last way is just take your Dropbox app, remove the app, uninstall, and you just uninstall, and you just reinstalling your app right here. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.